All right. Onyade, your hand is raised. So,
Inquiry.
what did you design for us? Go ahead, Onyade.
I did a minus subtraction.
With the same syntax, right? You can share
Yes.
your screen. Let's see what you have. Elliot, your video is off. Turn it on. You are in class now.
But can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen. You can click on the green flag.
Ma, did you see what happened?
I didn't see it. Can we go again?
Yes, ma.
Do it again.
Okay, ma.
Where is your code? This place is blank, or am I the only one? There is no code here. Elliot, can you see any code on Oyade's screen?
No, ma.
Oyade, your code is blank. Can
I'm
you see
coming.
what? Okay, Elliot, share your own screen. Emmanuel, did you attempt the assignment? Emmanuel,
Yes, ma.
share your screen if you have your assignment. Emmanuel, Elliot, did you attempt the what I asked you to do?
Yes, ma.
Share your screen while we wait for Onyade's code. Elliot, is this your screen?
Yes, ma.
All right. So where is your project? Click on average. Did you delete it? You deleted something, Elliot. Emmanuel, okay. Elliot,
My internet is unstable.
but I can still see your screen. Are you sure your internet is unstable?
That's all.
I heard you talk and I can see your screen. If your internet is unstable, I won't be able to do all of that. Click on it's blank. There is no code here. Or are you just working on it? Are you just working on it? Emmanuel, share your screen. Let me see your own. Let's see what Emmanuel did. Samuel, your screen, sorry, Emmanuel, your screen is not, I don't want to take control. I'm actually trying to see if I
Ma,
can buy time for others to join before we go far. But if by 10 minutes past 5, they still haven't joined, we might need to start because I will be blending mathematics into what we do today. So we'll be doing more of mathematics and calculation today. And I don't know why the others didn't join.
can I share my screen now?
Yeah, you can. Let's see.
Ma, can you see it?
Yes, I can. Okay. Now go ahead.
Ma, did you see it?
Yeah, I can see good. All right. It seems okay, Emmanuel shared the screen, right? Elliot,
Yes.
I didn't see anything for Elliot is out of the meeting. Why now? Why are we having on and off, in and out internet today? Okay. Okay, Elliot is back. All right. I'll be sharing my screen. I'll show you what we are meant to achieve today and then how to go about it. So just let me know once my screen is up and you can see. You can see my screen, right?
Ma,
No, ma.
I can see.
Yes, ma, I can see it now.
Okay. Did you see that?
Yes, ma.
Yes,
Can
ma.
tell me, yeah, who can tell me what shape is on the screen?
Hexagon.
Who said
Pentagon.
who said pentagon first?
Emmanuel.
Emmanuel, great. A round of applause for Emmanuel. A round of applause for Emmanuel. I can't hear you people clap. Oh, you have to do it. I
Ma,
love
I'm
what you're doing.
clapping.
All right. We have a pentagon. A pentagon has how many sides?
5.
Yes, that's what makes it a pentagon. Who can tell me the number of sides a triangle has?
3.
Triangle.
3.
3, yes.
3.
So we name our shapes according to the number of sides that they have. Do we understand that?
Yes, ma.
Now let's go into the problem.
Go to the other breakout room. Ma,
Yeah.
want to go to the other breakout room. Attempt to 16 class.
Israel, you want to?
Yes, ma.
Okay,
Go to
let
attempt
me.
to 16 class.
Don't worry, let me add it to the class. I've assigned Israel to age 10 to 16 class. All right, so let's proceed. Can you see my screen? Melody, you're welcome. Hello, can anyone confirm you can still see my screen?
Yes, ma, I can still see your
Ma.
screen.
I can see your screen, ma.
Great. All right. So I want to explain certain things regarding what we are doing today. So we all have, we understand the basics. Confirm you can see what I just did. What did I draw?
A circle.
A circle. Thank you. Now, initially we were talking about a pentagon, right? It has how many sides?
A circle has
It has
sides.
5.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. I just wanted us to have an idea of what I just did. So, a cycle, how many degrees is a cycle?
Degrees.
55.
360 degrees. To achieve a cycle, we move what? 360 degrees. Do we understand what I just said?
Yes, ma.
Yeah. A cycle is to achieve a cycle, you will move 360 degrees. So the cycle I drew first is 300 and I moved 360 degrees to form a cycle. Now, we were talking about pentagon and we said it has how many sides?
5.
5 sides. Now, you can see that each point that the pentagon touches the circle I drew first, it's an angle. The point at which the pentagon is touching the circle is what? is an angle. Is what?
An angle.
An angle.
Yes,
Angle.
it's an angle. Yes. Now, I'm going to explain this. For me to achieve a pentagon, I needed 5 angles. To achieve 5 angles, I have to divide my 360 degrees by how many?
By 5.
Great. Who said by 5? So now,
Is me.
can we? Who said your name? I'm actually looking at my
Oyin
screen.
Ade.
All right. Now, go to your start button. You can see my screen. I'm clicking on the start button. I want to launch my calculator. I want to do what?
Want to
Launch your calculator.
So
launch
you
your
all will do the same thing.
calculator.
You see this icon, start. Click on it. When you click on it, select calculator because you will be doing some form of calculations to achieve the project we're working on today. Has anybody gotten it? If you
Don't
need
break out
assistance,
síbẹ̀ ni.
ṣe bó ni.
Báwo ni ìdí ni? Ìsàlẹ̀ náà mọ́ bá wa kọ sí.
did you see how I launched my calculator?
Yes, ma.
Yes, ma.
Many of us has launched theirs.
I have.
Your name. Mention your name and tell me you've launched yours.
My name is Oyin Ade. I have launched mine.
Great. Elliot, Emmanuel, Melody.
I have
Have you
launched
launched
my
yours?
calculator, ma.
I can't launch my calculator.
You can't do what?
I've launched my calculator.
I've launched. Say I've
I've
launched.
I've launched my calculator.
Great. I've launched my
I
calculator.
can't launch my
Give me a
calculator.
reaction if you have launched your calculator so I know everybody has launched their calculator.
Please, I can't launch my calculator.
Okay, Melody, you can't launch your calculator.
Yeah.
Okay, watch my screen. I'm going to show you how to go about it again. Do you understand? I will close my calculator. I want you to watch my screen. Can you see my screen? Melody, I'm talking to you now.
Yes.
Now, go to start. You see this icon here at the bottom of your screen. It is the start button. Click on it. You will see some things will come up, just like it's on my screen. Unmute and talk so that I know that you are getting it. Did you split your screen, Melody? Is your screen splitted so you can see
No,
what
I can't.
You can't.
I don't know which thing you press.
To split your, don't mute. You're having an issue, you don't mute so I can resolve it for you. Melody, unmute. So I was asking, you said you don't know how to split your screen, right?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know the Windows key on your keyboard? I hope there is an adult to do this for us.
Yes, I know the window key in my laptop.
Okay, great. So press the window screen. Let me see. Let me just stop and ask you to share your screen. I'll stop sharing mine so you can share yours. Now share your screen, Melody. Is this Melody?
This is Melody.
I asked you not to mute so that I know until I resolve what I want to do. Just stay on. Now press down the arrow, sorry, the Windows key, and then use the arrow button. Let's use the right arrow button. The arrow button pointing to the right. While you press down your Windows key.
Say both together.
Both together.
Press down your Windows key, then press the right arrow key.
Press the right key. Okay, press it.
Do you press it together?
Which one have you pressed?
You say I should press the window key and the left hand key.
Yes.
Right arrow key.
How many of us is sharing screen? Do you have who has the multiple screen shared? Okay. Did it work for you now?
No. I tried pressing them together. It no work.
Oyade, do you have your screen shared?
I'm not sharing my screen.
Please, Zada Jerry, did you split your screen?
Yes, you should do.
Don't worry, let me decline yours. Melody, click on the start button on your PC.
Activate that button.
Share your screen, Melody. Then click on the start button. Let's
No,
resolve
share
it.
your screen.
You want to charge your phone? Where is the
Start button, Melody.
where is the start button?
The start icon is on the taskbar. Who is there with you? Is that your brother?
My sister.
You have your screen shared already. You have splitted the screen, just that you have the wrong what is it called on the right side. Zoom should be, I wanted the Zoom window where you can see me. So by the time I'm sharing my screen to be on this right, not scratch again. You have TurboWrap open and then you have scratch on this side. So I want you to close this scratch, what's it called? Not that Melody. Yes, close that, but click on that X. That's close. Close the scratch app. Close it. Click on the X, Melody. X. Now, hold on. Be careful. Hold on, Melody. Listen. Just listen. Move your cursor back to this empty space. I hope others are following what I'm teaching him, because if you have to do this, you will listen to me and then you practice at the same time. Do you understand? Everybody should follow what Melody is doing. So now, Melody, if you look on your taskbar, you see that zoom icon, ZM in blue. Click on it. Melody,
I
click on
can't see it.
It's there. Me, I can see. Even me that I'm not in your room there, I can see it. I'm looking at Zoom on your screen now. There is this blue. Come to the task bar. To the bottom of your screen, because that's the only, I don't know how to explain. Task bar is the bottom. Click where click where you can see that green and red button. Green and, yes, click it. Select it. I want zoom up. Okay, we have TubaWap, we have where is your cursor right now?
Don't mean mine. Enter. Yeah.
Hold on. Now, click on the zoom icon now. Let it come up. Click on, minimize this window. Now click on your, what's it called? Open the Zoom window now.
Zoom. Really, come on. We can't open it.
If you, okay, this is Melody. Stop sharing and try what I just taught you again. Let me see what you got. Yeah. Stop sharing your screen, Melody.
Stop.
Stop sharing, then use the Windows button and use the right arrow key. I want you to see me, and then I want you to see your own work. That's the sense of splitting your screen. Confirm when you can see my screen.
But they cannot see. I went top.
I'm just sharing. You will see it now.
But Daddy, you shift.
So I was explaining our degrees the other time, right?
Do what they taught you. Which thing? What did they teach you now?
The angle of a cycle.
How? There's no motion block. How? What did you put? I don't know this.
Mike, who is that?
Melody, come here.
Then how you can see your motion block?
Melody, mute your mic.
Please, I can't see my motion block anymore.
You can't see your motion block or you can't see your tuber work. Which one can you not see?
I can't see my motion block.
What are you doing with motion block?
Don't share. Don't share.
The motion block went out of my screen of the Turbo app.
Sorry, this is. Don't mind my drawing.
Yeah, your computer is
So the
yeah,
press. Let me
it's
show
tracking
the
memory your
press.
computer.
You are not using motion block.
Why?
Who said you
Why-
should use
why did-
motion block?
Oh,
My
motion
initial
block just
design
disappeared.
Even this one.
went to 1,
Yeah.
2. This is,
It's supposed to appear plenty.
this is for. My drawing. Let's see.
What stage did you select?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Anything.
Mute your mic, Melody, and listen. I'm going to come back to you. I don't know what you're doing with motion block. For now, you don't need that. So I said earlier that 360 degrees is what a cycle is. And then I also went ahead to talk about the angles that form a pentagon, the angles of a pentagon. So each of these angle, one touching I'm using the circle to illustrate what it means, what each of these angle means. Now, in order to achieve this shape, in order to achieve the pentagon shape, we have a pentagon having 5 sides. Now, your calculators will work now. Somebody will do is going to do the math for me. So, Elliot, I hope your calculator is up. Divide 360 by 5, which is the size of a pentagon. What's the answer? Elliot, we are waiting. 360 degrees divided by 5, because our pentagon has 5 sides. And it means that we want to design a triangle. We are going to be dividing our 360 degrees by 3. If it's a triangle, you divide your 360 degrees by 3. That's what's going to give you that angles, because a triangle has 3 sides. To achieve that side, you are dividing 360 degrees by 3. Now, our focus today is on pentagon, which has 5 sides. So now, we're going to divide our 360 degrees by 5. What is the answer, Elliot?
72.
72. Great. What does this tell us? It means each of these sides of our pentagon is what? Is how many degrees? Melody, Oyade, is Emmanuel still on the call?
Yes, ma.
Oyade,
Yes,
each
ma.
of our pentagon sides is what? 72
Degrees.
72 degrees. Somebody else will do. We have other calculations though. 72 degrees each of these sides. Don't mind. I'm trying to write on the screen. But I hope you all got the message before I proceed.
Yes, ma.
Does anybody have an answer? How did I come about 72? Melody, tell me.
By dividing 360 divided by 5.
Gives us what?
72.
And the reason why we divided our 360 by 5 is what? Who can tell me that? Why did we divide 360 degrees degrees by 5?
It's because a pentagon has 5 sides.
Great. I love that. Great. We divided our 360 degrees. Each shape that you can ever see, be it a square, be it a triangle, be it a pentagon, be it an octagon, whatever the shape is, a cube and the rest, they are all the total angles that form that shape is 360 degrees. So now to achieve the angles that forms that shape, we have to divide our 360 degrees by the shape we are trying to achieve, by the number of sides that shape has. So pentagon has 5 sides. 360 degrees divided by 72 is going to give us, sorry, divided by 5 is 72 degrees. Is that clear? Is that clear, Onyade? Is that clear, everybody?
Yes, ma.
All right. So now, let's
Yes,
delve
ma.
into what we want to do today. If you look at your blocks here, you can see where my cursor is. Does anybody has this pen tool? Do you have it showing on that where you have your blocks?
Yes.
How about Onyade? Do you have it? Can you see this pen? I can't hear you, Onyade. You are muted.
Ma, I don't have it.
Now, that's exactly why I ask. You go to add extension. Click on this add extension. Did you see where I clicked, Onyade? You are muted.
I don't have the pencil, ma. I don't see where you clicked.
Okay, let
Yes,
me go.
ma.
Add extension is just where you have the blocks, is just below the other blocks. Is at the extreme end here, the bottom of the where you have blocks. That's where you click add extension. Have you achieved that, Emmanuel? Click add extension and then you select pen. Select pen. Did you see that?
I've selected pen, ma.
Do we all have our pen tool now?
Yes, ma. Yes.
Yes, ma.
You have your pen tool. Everybody has their pen tool. Melody, I can see you on my screen. Elliot, your hand is raised. Go ahead.
I don't know how to use the pen.
The what?
The pen. I have the pen already, but I don't know how to write with the pen.
You are not writing with the. Don't worry, you'll see what we are doing with the pen shortly. So what I did is go to add extension, add the pen block, and then we can now start. So we go to your Sprite library now. From the Sprite library, click on pen. That's the Sprite we are working with. Have you seen the pen Sprite? Have we seen the pen Sprite?
I've not seen the pen sprite, ma.
Look for it. Type pen. Type pen in the search bar. It will bring out the pen for you.
But
Type
ma,
pen
this
in
is
the search bar. What did you say? Go to the Sprite library. Can you see what I just did? Go to the Sprite library. Type pen here in the search bar. Pen. Pen. See, can you see it? Can you see my screen, everyone? You are all muted. Can
Yes,
you
ma, I
see?
can see your screen.
Yes, ma, I can see your screen.
The pen tool. Who said you can't see the pen tool? Emmanuel, do you have the pen sprite now? Not pen tool, sorry. The pen sprite.
Yes, ma, I have it.
Oyade, do you have it?
Yes, ma.
Melody, do you have your pen sprite? Oyade, sorry. Melody is off. Elliot, how about you?
I have my pen sprite, ma.
Great. So can we proceed?
Yes, ma.
All right. I reduced the size of my pen. Who noticed?
I noticed it, ma.
So I've changed the size of my, because it was looking too big. I reduced the size of my pen from 100 to 50. So you can do the same. So the
I
pen
don't
doesn't,
hear what you reduce it.
you said what?
I not hear what you reduce it to.
50. You can see it here. I
Yeah.
reduced the size to 50. This is the size. See where I clicked, right?
Yes,
So
ma,
you can,
so I click.
yeah, so let's get started. Go to events. When flag click. Now,
I beg you to pause, please.
okay. I've done that.
Okay.
So let's all go to where we have the pen block. Click on your pen block because we'll be using the pen tool now. Are we all ready? Are we ready to draw our shape?
Yes,
Hello?
ma.
All right, that's great. So I'm going to say, when I click on the green flag, I want everything that I must have drawn previously. I want it to be erased. It means, like, when you write on the chalkboard or your board in school, when a teacher writes on the chalkboard, when the teacher is about to write another form of notes, what will the teacher do? The teacher will erase what is on the board, right? Hello, am I talking to somebody?
Yes, ma.
Yeah,
Yes,
you erase what you
Ma.
have. Yes, you erase what you have on the screen first before the other shape, before the other codes are executed. So I'm going to say, when I click the green flag, I want everything that must have drawn previously to be erased. So you bring out this erase all block. Do what? You say erase all. Erase what? All. Are we there?
that you are sleep.
Yes, ma.
All right. So once everything on the screen is erased, I want my pen to point in the direction 90. What did I say?
That you want the pen to point as direction 90.
Somebody's background. I don't. The voice sounds like. We are dealing with a pentagon. I need to explain this point. Do you understand? Can we all hear me? This silence, I hope somebody understand what I'm doing. We've not gone far. I don't want anybody to tell me they don't understand. Do we all understand what I'm trying to do?
Yes,
You know,
ma.
yes,
Yes, ma.
because we are dealing with a pentagon. Because we are doing what? Dealing with a pentagon, that angle, the angle I will be working with is what? 72. Is what? So I'm asking my pen to point in the direction. Instead of angle 90, it is now angle 72 degrees. Is it clear?
Yes, ma.
All right. Now, when you want to draw anything with your own pencil, let's assume you have a pen and a paper, and you are holding your pen. The first thing you will do is what? You will point the pen down, right? To touch the paper before you start drawing. Am I correct?
Yes, ma.
So now you will instruct the pen to face down. Did you see that? Pen down. Did you see that?
Yes, ma.
Pen down. Once your pen is down, let's set the color of the pen. What color do you want us to draw with? You have the option of adjusting the color. Do you see what I'm doing? I've changed my color to purple. Set the color of your pen. Set what? Set
The
the
color of your pen.
The color of your pen.
The size of the pen. Let's set that to. Set pen size to. Let's see what 5 will do. The thickness of what your pen will write with. Now, who is that?
My Ayomi Post is in class.
Okay, Ayomi Posi is here.
Yes, ma.
Go to our motion.
We are sorry for coming late. I thought it's 6 o'clock.
No, it's 5. I even came on the on the group to do reminders that we are looking for our class, our students. Welcome, ma.
We are sorry.
So, yeah, so for motion, we are using the motion block now. The reason why we are using the motion block is because our pen needs to move. And anything that deals with movement is the motion block that we'll be using. Do you understand?
Yes, ma.
So the number of steps,
Yes, ma.
yeah, the number of steps that I want my pen to move for each, before it turns. Are you listening? The number of steps that my pen will move before it turns at an angle. I want to move 144 steps. I am multiplying 72 by 2. That's like the size. I will explain that when you will see the size, then we'll reduce it for you to really understand what the number of steps does. And then I want it to turn. At what angle will this pen turn? I've explained the angle.
360.
Not 360. We are not drawing a cycle now. Can anybody see what is happening when I say point in direction? When I put 90, you see where it's pointing at.
Yes, ma.
When I change it to 72, you see where it's pointing at. You will
Yes.
understand a lot of things now after we've drawn our shape. But let's get started. You all will understand now once you see the shape. So I was asking that at what point, at what angle, yes. At what angle will my pen turn? Remember, we are dealing with a pentagon and it has how many sides?
It has 5 sizes.
And
5 sides.
5 sides. So it means we are going to divide 360 degrees by what? By 5. Yes. And that gives us 72. Yes, so we'll be turning at angle 72. Do you understand?
Yes, ma.
We don't want our pen to just keep moving randomly. So we'll ask it to wait for some time. After drawing the first angle, wait for some time. And where am I picking my weight from? From control. Let's use wait 1 second. We might reduce or increase this later, but let's just see the magic that happens. We can as well go back to the pen tool now. Once it gets to angle 72, it should turn. Wait 1 second. Change the color of the pen. Let's even before I do all this one, let's see what we are able to achieve with this. Do you see that? Can we all see my screen?
Yes, ma.
Can we all see my screen?
Yes, ma.
Now, something has happened. I'm supposed to be seeing how many sides on my screen? 5 sides. But because I only asked the pen, the instruction I gave the pen is, after pen pointing at angle 90 degrees, pen down, change the pen color, set pen color to purple. I want my pen size to be 5. I asked it to move 144 steps. And then it should turn at angle 72. Then it should wait 1 second. And then that's exactly what this instruction has executed. But because I am dealing with a pentagon, this whole thing, 72 was divided, 360 degrees was divided by 75 to give me 72. So in order for this pen to move round and complete 360 degrees, I have to do this thing, repeat these steps rather. I have to repeat it how many times to complete 360 degrees? Somebody should talk. How many times?
I said that what?
So go to control and bring out the repeat loop. We'll be using the repeat loop here. Did you see that? The repeat loop 5 times. 5 multiplied by 72. Somebody should use this or a calculator and tell me the answer.
Ma, what did you say?
We want this, everything we have in this loop. I want it repeated
360.
360. Thank you. Who said 360? Somebody is listening. Some other persons are not listening. Who said 360?
Is I am a person?
So now let me click on my green flag. All right, so I'm changing this to 72. Let's see what happens. $180 steps, 90. So we stick with 72 times 2. It gives, we are moving the number of steps. Let's see. 180, 144. Great. This is exactly what I wanted us to achieve. So, how many of us have gotten this? There are still some things I'm going to add, but we need to understand what I've done first. Who has a question? If you don't understand anything, let's quickly take you back. We still have time. Before I increase the complexity of what we have on the screen, we need to understand this simple thing we've just done. Ayomikwasi, okay, you just joined. Let me come back to you. Let me first of all follow up with, has Melody left the class?
Listen to what she's saying. Stop being like you know.
Onyade, Oyade,
Yes, ma.
did it work, Oyade?
Yes, ma.
Emmanuel,
But
did
my
it work? Because you must understand this before we go. There
yes,
are
my own work.
Yes, there are other complex things attached to what we just did. So if you don't understand these basics, by the time we start drawing multiple shapes, we might find it difficult. Now, Elliot, how about you?
I have done it, ma.
Do you understand the code?
Yes, ma.
Now, Ayomiposi that just joined. Do you understand what you can see on the screen? If you don't, tell me what you don't understand, because I've been explaining. We might need to go over it again. You understood, Ayomiposi?
Talking to you.
Do you understand?
Answer, Anna.
Yes, ma.
What do you understand? It?
I think I'll get it inside.
I hope it's not magic, what you can see on the screen.
It's
Now,
magic.
let's add some colors to it. I will explain the code one after the other again because of Ayomiposi that just joined. So, I was trying to use a particular block here before and I stopped. The change pen color. We can make it colorful by changing the pen color at every point. Now, click on the green flag and tell me if you achieve what I have on my own screen too. Oyade, did it work? Elliot, Emmanuel. Okay, now I'm going to run over this quickly because of Ayomiposi. And like I said when we were going to start, we are doing more of mathematics today. When it comes to shapes, you have to do some form of mathematics. Do you know how to launch your calculator, Ayomiposi? Click on the start button on your computer and click calculator, or you want me to show you how to do it?
Yes, ma.
Every other person has their calculator launched. Let me stop sharing. Now share your screen. Or I should share mine. Don't worry. Hold on. Let me share. I think I should share and show you. You have to understand. So now, can you see my screen? Ayomiposi, you can see the start
Yes,
button. The start button. Click on it too. Click on that start button I clicked on. Have you clicked on it? Have you clicked on
Colors change.
Start button.
Pink, red, orange,
who is that? Who is that person?
Yes.
So now, this is calculator. If you can't see calculator, when you click on the start button, just type CAL here. It will bring it up for you. Did you see that? Then you click on the calculator app. You'll be doing some form of calculation. So we all have to launch our calculator app. Have you done that?
No,
Unmute
you have
and
to
talk. Ayomiposi, have you been able to do it?
hold on, no. Calculator. So are we opening the calculator?
Yes.
That's closing the egg. No closing down.
It's open.
Okay. Now, the size of a cycle is 360 degrees. That's what makes a cycle. And because each of every other shape that we want to draw, that we might ever want to draw, we cannot achieve it.
I thank you. I do. I want to hear your piano.
Whose background is making noise? The person should.
I will slap you.
Every other shape that we might ever want to draw is dependent on the size of a cycle, which is 360 degrees. So today, we decided to draw a pentagon. Ayomiposi, a pentagon has how many sides? 5 sides. A pentagon has how many sides?
5 sides.
Now, look at my screen. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, this pen actually has moved 360 degrees distance. Do you understand? For this pen to have drawn a pentagon for us, it moves round. It has moved what? Round. And what the pen now did is that the pen keeps stopping at an angle. The pen stopped here. If you can see my screen, the pen stopped here. The pen stopped here. The pen stopped here and stopped here. The pen stopped 5 times to achieve the shape of a pentagon, to achieve that 5 sides. Do you understand before I proceed, Ayomiposi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, the pen has moved 360 degrees, but then it keeps stopping at an angle. It is that angle now that I want to explain. For your pen not to draw a cycle, because if you just did not specify that stop at this angle, your pen is going to draw a cycle for you. But because we are not after a cycle, we want a pentagon, even though the pen is going to move in 360 degrees. So now, what we now did is, you are going to divide that 360 degrees that the pen is going to move. You will divide it by the number of times that you want that pen to stop and form a side. Do you understand? You want the pen to stop 5 times. You have to tell the pen, I want you to stop at this angle. That angle is the side. That angle is the stop. So you're going to divide 360 degrees by 5 because you want a shape that has 5 sides. Because you want a shape that has 5 sides, you're going to divide 360 degrees by 5. Now do that, Ayomiposi. Use your calculator and tell me what you have.
Wait. Yeah, 360. 3, 6, 0. divided by, this is the division by 5. Answer 72.
72.
72. Now, that 360 degrees, divide it by 3. What do you have?
What did she say?
Divide 360 by 3. 3.
Well, type 360. 3, 6, 0. Divided by 3. 3.
120.
Equals to
120. Now,
120.
yes, you divided 360 by 3. You got 120. That is, if I would have used that 120, if I'm going to draw a triangle, or if I'm going to draw a shape that has 3 sides, but my focus is not on 3. I don't want my shape to have 3 sides here. I want my shape to have 5 sides. And when you divided 360 by 5, you got 72. So 72 is the angle that pen is going to curve, where your shape is going to come out from. It would have been 120 if I wanted it to stop 3 times and give me 3 sides with a shape that has 3 sides. But this one is what? 5 sides. 5 sides. So that's, now come to this place. This is where we really have the work to do. From this move 144 steps, pay attention, everybody. Anything that has to do with movement, I told us that we are going to use the motion block. So from the motion block, we brought out the move because we want our pen sprite to move. That's why we are using the motion. Motion has to do with movement. So I told my pen to walk 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 144 steps and stop. It should stop at angle 72. Do you remember how we got our 72? I'm talking to you, Ayomiposi. Respond.
Yes.
You remember how we got 72?
Yes.
Now, I say move 144 steps. When you get to angle 72, which is this turn 72 degrees. It means when you get to 72 degrees, you should stop and turn. When it's turning at that point, it's giving you a side. It's bringing out a curve or a shape, whatever you want to call it. So, after moving 144 steps, our pen sprite will stop. It will now turn at 72 degrees. It will wait 1 second after turning. And then it will stop. But because I want it to give me five sides and not just 1 side, because these 2 blocks here, move 170, move 1. Let me scatter this code to explain what I want you to see. If you look at this code that I've scattered now, I said move 144 steps, turn at 72 degrees. Let me click on the green flag now. You will see what will happen. Did you see that, Ayomiposi?
Yes, ma.
It means it has achieved only 1 side because I only said move 144 steps, turn at 72 degrees. That's all. Now, I want this shape. I want to see 5 of it. Do you get it? I want to see 5 of this shape. Now, you remember I taught us the repeat loop already. I explained this repeat loop. So I now said then, instead of it to just be walking without stopping, like somebody that doesn't have direction, I told it, stop for 1 second though, before you repeat this step again. So you are going to, I now ask you to repeat that thing. Move 144 step, turn at angle 72, wait 1 second, do this thing 5 times for
5
me.
times. Mm-hmm.
Do this thing 5 times for me. By the time you do this thing 5 times, it has come back, it has completed 360 degrees. And that's why if you multiply 5, you know we divided 360 by 5 to get 72. Now, to now complete that 360 back, it has to be 360 divided by 5 gave us 72. 72 times, multiply 72 on your
What do you
calculator
press again?
now.
No percent.
You press.
Multiply 72 by 5, you will see that you have 360 degrees. So now, if you now click on the green flag, you will see that we now have,
Yes, 5.
what has this thing done? I didn't stop. Just hold on. Tada. It's the same code. Did you see that?
Yes.
So my pen has moved
Volume.
360 degrees. This shape. I hope you now understand, but I just wanted to add color to it. So I asked it to change color at every angle. Do we now understand?
Like my mommy. See what I mean?
We have an assignment for between now and tomorrow morning. Should I give you people?
Yes.
Okay. Somebody should suggest a shape that you will draw with this your knowledge now. With this knowledge, what
What
shape
do
can
you
you
say?
draw for me?
Ma, I can draw a
I
square.
can draw a kite.
A kite. Good. A
Yes.
kite has how many sides?
Yes.
I can draw a circle.
No, don't draw a circle. I want a shape. Because if you
Ma,
draw a
I
circle,
can draw a
I can
triangle.
draw a square.
so tomorrow everybody will show me the shape that they are able to draw. Are we good?
Yes,
Yes.
ma.
Oyade, your hand is still raised. You can put your
Ma,
hand
I have
down.
a question. Ma, when
Okay,
you put
go
change
ahead.
pen color by chance, ma, my own did not change color.
Yeah, something is not right. I'll stop sharing now, so you share your screen. Everybody must understand you, because I think I've broken it down enough for everybody to understand. So share your screen, Oyade. Let's see. Is this not your screen, Oyade?
Yes, ma. I can see
It
it,
has
ma.
changed color now. Can't you see that you have different colors? You have different colors on your what you have there now.
Oh my God.
Elliot, Oya. Elliot, unmute.
I have a question. You said that tomorrow we should show you the shapes that we are able to do. How do we change the shapes?
Eh?
How do we change the shape that we drew today to another shape?
If you understand the calculation that we did, instead of dividing 360 by 5, you will divide your 360 by the number of sides that your shape is going to have. What shape do you want to draw, Elliot?
Can you stop this nonsense thing you are doing? Eh?
Oya, Elliot, tell me. What did you say?
I want to draw a square.
And a square has how many sides?
4 sides.
So how many? What are you going to divide your 360 by?
4.
Great. That's exactly what you're going to work on. Save this project and then you do that other project separately. It's just for you to practice that mathematics side of it, how to calculate. That's just it. So I don't want anybody to do pentagon again. Look for another shape so that you understand the concept of calculating the sides. That's it. That's just the essence. So everybody must do a different shape with a different number of sides so that you know how to divide and how to multiply when you are doing the repeats. Do we understand?
Yes, ma.
Yes,
Yes,
ma. I
ma.
want to draw a
Ending this
triangle.
class now. As we are ending this class now, don't leave your computer. Stay on your computer and complete that project. Practice with another shape. Start practicing with another shape now.
Ma, I have a question. I
Okay.
want to do square and Elliot too. Ma, should I change it to another thing or I should still work on that?
Well, what other shape do we have? We have octagon, we have triangle, we have a lot of shapes. All you need to do is just
I choose triangle.
use your calculator to divide and then multiply when you need to. So if you
Yes,
want to
ma.
go ahead with the square, no problem. But if you can do another one, no problem. You can stick with the square that you want to do, no problem about that.
Yes, ma.
All right, we can call it a night. Enjoy the rest of your evening. See you tomorrow. Bye,
Yes.
everybody.
Bye.
Bye. You can leave the class now.
Bye-bye.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
When did she see it?
Come give me some. This one now. Come on. If you finish everything, if I come on, yes, to finish
Leave.
everything, I'll thank
Yeah.
my Johnny.
I am Ikposi. You can click on leave. But stay by your computer to do what I asked you to do. So use it to practice.
Okay.
Elliot, you can leave the class. Tomorrow.
Everything. What is my everything?
Where is the leave? Oh.